This cake is one of my most saved videos on TikTok. One of my most saved cake decorating videos to be exact. I'm not quite sure why, but I thought I'd just slow it down and show you guys exactly how I achieved this design. So on top of my white base, I add spots of blue buttercream and then smooth it out with the cake scraper. You guys are getting tutorial now. I don't know the exact name of this technique, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't made this in a while. This cake is actually from 2022, I think it was, so quite a while. Every day it has a new save, so I just had to slow it down. I know it would be helpful if I knew the actual term of this technique. I know some people used to call it dirty ice, but I'm not 100% sure. I would say it's more like a smudge or ombre effect. Actually, if you're watching this video, what would you call this technique? Or if you're a baker, what do you call this? I'm not 100, I just don't know what it's called. I've been doing it for years, but I just don't know what it's called. For now, I'm just going to call it smudge, the smudge technique. I really like how the pink and blue blend together on top of the white. It just smudges well. I'm just going to call it smudge. After I'm all done blending out my smudge, guess what I'm going to add? What? Yes, a drip. If you've been watching all my videos so far, thank you very much. And you know every video so far has been a drip cake. We did a milk chocolate drip, a lovely dark chocolate drip, and now we've got a pink white chocolate drip. I don't know what to call it. Basically, it's white chocolate and I've coloured it pink. If you follow so far as well, you know how much I love a drip cake. It just makes it all look so tasty. And it's in pink. Like, who don't love pink? I'm getting too excited over this cake. Looking at it, don't you think it looks kind of like a baby shower gender reveal kind of cake? I really like the blend of pink and blue. It kind of looks like a sky as well. Anybody else get that vibe? This was actually a dancer cake for a 7th birthday. These were all toppers I made myself as well on my silhouette machine. Unfortunately, you can't see in the video, but I secured each of the toppers to the cake using a little bit of buttercream on the back of each one. It's like glue, because when it sets, it stays in place. And then for the swells, I put the pink and blue buttercream together in the piping bag. When you push it together, it comes out like, I'm gonna say ombre, two-tone swells, which is pretty cool too. And then finish adding on all the additional cake toppers that I had made previously. I think my favourite part of this cake was the silhouettes of each of the dancing poses. This cake as well, I think would be perfect for a gymnast too. I know sometimes when trying to find the perfect cake, it's hard to think of something that is perfect for that person, but that is the beauty of having something customized. Back to the video. To finish off the cake, I added some pretty pink bows, which I also secured with a little bit of buttercream too. And that completed the cake. I hope this slowdown was helpful, even though it wasn't an exact tutorial. But thanks for watching. Bye!